Hi, good morning. My name is Muhammed Fasil from Aerosmart. Today, I would like to take you through one of the success case story, protecting wildlife and communities. I would like to take your attention to the specific case study, public safety, traffic monitoring, security surveillance, or any other kind of inspection. And basically, MEP is a conservation organization based in Kenya, Masai Mara, and their main objective is to protect elephant and their habitat across the greater Mara ecosystem. The local communities near protected areas frequently report elephant destroying their crops and staying near schools and homes. So this is what we have been called up and demonstrate our drone solution to them. We have done with the drone deployment like real-time elephant tracking with the GPS and zoom capabilities. This is, as I said, this is not just for the drone because any of the you're targeting objects. The zoom capability, you can actually read the numbers or any readings on that particular object even from 250 meters away. So this is an example video how it works. These features basically allow you to target your objects, whether it's a human or elephant, whatever your object is. You can actually target it and you can take your decision. So we also have demonstrated night surveillance to prevent village intrusion. This is the real image during the night. Now, once we activated the night scene mode, you can see the video how it looks like. And let's move to the thermal image detection. And it's like during the night how visibly the thermal functionality of the drone can work. And this is applicable in every scenario like border patrolling, security surveillance, traffic monitoring, utilizing the drone zoom camera where you can watch any small numbers even away from 250 kilometers with a spotlight. So now let's move to some of the other functionalities like smart track. Basically like if you have a targeted object where you can lock the object and the drone will automatically follow the that moving object. And it also adjusts its zoom capability, based on the drone frame. This is applicable to any moving object, whether it's a vehicle, human, elephant, whatever. And also like pinpoint marked GPS precise system. An example, you have a targeted object and you wanted to understand its the exact location. You can copy the geotagging of that particular object and share with your concerned authorities, and so they can reach to the particular location very quickly with the GPS coordinates. And laser range finder example, you wanted to, for example, in this case, basically like you wanted to measure the distance between the elephant and the human settlement and how far the elephant will be reached to the particular location. You can calculate what distance they are from and you can make all your planning accordingly. So this also applies to different use case scenarios. And another one is the side-by-side, letting operators basically track two functionalities together. One is the thermal imaging on the left side, and this is a broader view of an RGB camera view. So you can have a complete understanding the particular object movement and by having the view of the surrounding in a larger picture. If you would like to know more about, you can always reach to us. Thank you so much.